Wait, don't buy that digital marketing course. You can learn everything on YouTube or just follow me and I'll teach you everything there is to know. How many of us have heard that before? For the people who have invested time and money into developing their digital marketing careers or their business, they all can tell you firsthand that they've probably all tried to go on YouTube and learn from other content creators, other digital marketers, and tried to piece together things until it got so frustrating that they decided to go ahead and spend the money to take a course, whether that course is the Roadmap 2.0 or Legendary Marketer or the Full Stack Marketer or Passive Profit, whatever that program is, Commission Hero. There's so many different programs out there. The reality of the situation is that people need help. Trying to go on YouTube for an hour at a time and consume content and take notes here and there and then jump to another creator and try and take their strategy and then implement it without understanding the terminology, without understanding the systems or the tools and the backbone of what it's going to take for you to build a successful digital marketing business, it's bad advice. So creators, if you are one of those creators that's out there right now making videos telling people, "Hey, wait, don't buy that course, just watch all my content or click here and I'll help you along your journey," and all it is basically just video after video after video with nothing comprehensive. You're giving people bad advice. It may be super controversial for me to be saying this. This may be a super unpopular opinion. It's fine. It is what it is. You're only going to get the truth from me, and that's how I feel. And simple and plain. If you really want to learn digital marketing, get a course. You don't need to buy the Roadmap 2.0 from me. You don't even need to buy the Roadmap 2.0. Buy whatever course you want, but get a course. Spend the money on yourself. Invest your time and your money and your energy into learning something and take it serious. The YouTube route, I tried it. It it's not the way. It's not the vibe. It's not the 2024 way to get you to where you want to be. Okay? So, my opinion, but that's where we're at. All right? I hope one of you that sees this takes this serious and decides that, you know what, it's time. It's time for me to stop trying to watch YouTube videos and go ahead and get a course. And to that person, you're welcome.